Welcome to our channel GL Coding. Let's not waste much time. The things today we shall know is a very simple code just for fun, as we will learn some basic virus pranks with some of our batch commands. At first we have to open any text editor. So I will open Notepad. After that we will write some codes like this. Double colon before any word or commands turns it into a comment. Next we will write some commands as at echo off. Then we have to declare a function. The name of the function is given as V.I.R. You can give as per your will. Then we have to print some output with the command echo like this. Next we have to copy and paste the whole thing, that is the %random %, where %random % represents any random number. Next we will write go to V.I.R and will save our code with .bat extension. We can also give .cmd extension to our file. This will results the same. Our file is visible in the desktop. Opening the file vir.bat, we will get our output. It will show the random numbers which are being printed on the file. Now maximize it. Maximizing the file will make it more effective. So, this is the output. Next part is pretty much representative. Making it more accurate, as well as impressive by editing the code with colors. We will write changing color, which is a comment. The command is color 0A, which represents green color with black background. And the output is green with all random numbers. Now copy the whole portion, which are to be printed in the output as shown in the video, and paste 2 to 3 times in the text editor to make more appropriate result. You can change the color for each printing portion, and this will result a massive colorful output. Next what we can do is just somewhat more experimental. We will give the string to the console to bring the output. This will require the editing of all the printing portions. Therefore we have to erase all this part from here, also these and these. The colors can be stay as it is. For this we will write the following codes. Set /p n1 equals name1 equals set /p n2 equals name2 equals set /p n3 equals name3 equals, and we'll slightly edit the printing portion to have the desired result. Replace the value of the variable %n1%, %n2%, and %n3% in place of %random %, and print those variables with echo command. Copy the whole thing and paste it, and again copy and paste with all the 3 variables n1, n2, and n3. This will make the repeatation with the names that we will give to the console, as shown in the video, and then the output will ask you for inputs. Now put the value and it will make the desired output. You can see the output having all the names I have given just a few seconds ago. You can give any name as you want. Your virus is now 90% ready. 10% is left, where we have to provide a title for the file. Now we will fix the title like this. Let me give a name OK. So we got it. The title is showing above. Now we can do some experiment with the inputs. So that's all.